Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. I'm back still at Audley End. It's a beautiful day here in England and we are enjoying the sunshine and the lush green grass. Wow. In this video, I'm going to discuss what we report in our monthly investor reports and why they are key to have repeat investors. Time and time again, I hear about the poor communication between operators and investors and how even though an operator met all the overall returns that were projected, the investor will not invest with them again because of the lack of communication or the poor communication that they had regarding the property and their investment in the property, right? Although the industry norm is quarterly communications with your investors, at Adventurous Real Estate Investors, Susie and I provide monthly updates in both a written and video format. We break our monthly investor reports and updates down into 5 sections. Number 1 is announcements. Here we include any important announcements for our investors about distributions or anything else we need to tell them. Number 2 is key highlights. In this section, we discuss occupancy trends, traffic, leases, events, and any other exciting news regarding the property. Third section is operations. Here we report income and expenses and provide variance analysis between what is happening month to month versus our underwriting projections. Number 4, capital expenditures. In this section, we provide an update of all the CapEx projects that have taken place that month, along with pictures of these projects along the way. Investors love to see pictures of what their hard-earned money is being spent on, so be sure to have your property manager take pictures of everything. And finally, the last section, section number 5, is the market update. This final section provides an update regarding the market trends, from occupancy trends to rent increases to exciting news about new businesses moving into the city. We try to communicate anything that our investors would find value in learning about. I hope this video gives you a framework of how to structure and what to include in your investor updates. The most important thing to remember is that you can never over-communicate and continue to communicate even if things aren't going so well. An investor will appreciate the transparency and will trust you moving forward with future investment opportunities. We have had several repeat investors in our deals, and I attribute most of that to our ability to effectively communicate on a monthly and regularly basis. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you'll be notified when we release new content. All right, until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.